Nation, this is your girl Vana SUPERNOVA. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a pink Pilates princess type of video, and I'm gonna share with you guys my Pilates journey just a little bit. I just wanted to share today because number one, I'm off, so hooray for off days. And then number two, because I really want to share how soothing my day is, how much of in a good mood I am in now that I'm down, you guys. Drum roll please. As of this morning, 33 pounds from my highest weight. That's where we are. That's why we're checking in. But since today is a Pilates day, this vlog is gonna be more like a pink Pilates princess, but deep down inside I'm celebrating because I'm in the 230s. Coming from the 270s, it's wild to think that like in such a short period of time I've been able to accomplish such a large feat. It was not easy, especially starting off cold turkey with that juice fast. And if you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link down below. I did a 15-day juice fast where I kicked off my weight loss journey by losing 14.8 pounds. And then from there, I reintroduced food, high protein, low calorie, and then reintroduce going to the gym and reintroduce going to Pilates. So with 3 days at the gym and 3 days at Pilates, I've been able to not only maintain the weight I lost during the juice fast, I've also been able to lose the additional weight. So if you're interested in this whole journey, stay tuned. So this is what the outfit is looking like. And you guys, I could actually see the weight loss. Like this outfit didn't used to fit me, like the top, as loosely, like especially right here used to be a lot tighter, and now I feel like I'm a true 2X. Like both of these are 2X and I feel like it's true to size now, you know what I mean? So I have on my grippy socks. You wear grippy socks to Pilates so you don't slide on the reformer. That's the type of Pilates I do. All this stuff you see on the side here, I'm going to a party like right after, so I'm going to Pilates. I'm probably gonna swing by Home Goods because I haven't got like a Halloween mug or, you know, anything like Halloween for the season. Even though we have a lot of Halloween stuff at the house, I'm probably just gonna like swing by just to get a mug because I don't have a Halloween mug all these years and I don't own one. So I really hope I can find a pink one because I'm a pink girl. And then after that, we're gonna swing back to the house and then head over to my girl Jerry's house, and I think she's having like a pool get together. There's gonna be kids there, so I probably won't be filming, but we're gonna have some girl time. And I'm thinking, let's see, I'm gonna wear pink, of course. It's like a pink dress, but then underneath it, I'm gonna wear my swimsuit, and this is like a skirt cover up. So I'm just gonna do that. Nothing too crazy, gonna keep it very cute. And then after that, I'm gonna probably come home and start editing because I need to be editing more. I think that's the hardest part of content creation for me is the editing. I could film for days. This for me is easy to share. I love that part, but the editing, I don't know. Just want to do a quick upper body shot with this on because I'm telling you, it looks so different than like just a few weeks ago. And underneath it, I just have like the matching set. It's super cute. It's from Ivy Park. I love it. Anyways, let me head out and then I'll see you guys in a bit.
Come onto those forearms, those elbows are stacked right underneath those shoulders, lifting those knees up to a hover off that mat and holding. That's all you're doing. Those knees are bent. Those knees are still stacked underneath those hips. Knees should only be about 1 inch off that mat. Keep the backs nice and flat. You're still pushing into those forearms, those toes. Pushing the body away. Squeezing the glutes. Keep those backs flat. We're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now push into those hands or forearms. Pushing into those toes. You're pushing that body away from the ground.
I've been going to Pilates off and on for about a year, and recently I've been very consistent, going 3 times a week. And honestly, it's one of the best decisions I've made for my body. Whether it's strengthening my core, improving flexibility, or working on balance, Every class brings something new. Being a Pilates princess is more than just showing up. It's about embodying grace, strength, and consistency. It's so much more than a workout. It's a mindset. Pilates teaches you to focus, to be intentional with your movements, and to connect with your body on a deeper level. And the best part, you feel stronger every single time you show up. I want to inspire anyone who's out there hesitating to give it a try. It doesn't matter where you start. What matters is that you start. Pilates isn't just for athletes or fitness gurus. It's for anyone who wants to feel good in their body, including princesses like us. Every time I leave class, I feel a little more like my highest self, a little more in tune with what my body needs, and a little more empowered to take on the day. That's what being a Pilates princess is all about. This was me last December, just starting my Pilates journey. I was much heavier back then, still learning the movements, still trying to figure it all out. Pilates is so different from anything I've ever done before. It's not like going to the gym where you push and sweat hard. Here, everything is slow and controlled. You really have to connect with your body, and at the time, I wasn't able to go as often as I wanted. My work schedule was insane. It felt like my job was taking over my life, and there was hardly any room left over for me. My health, my goals, my peace. It was hard to juggle everything, and I honestly felt stuck. But something inside me knew that if I kept going, even in small steps, I could make a change. Fast forward to now, and here I am, 33 pounds lighter. I'm still plus size, but there's been such a significant shift in my body. You can see it in my back, my arms, my midsection. But it's not just about the physical changes. The real transformation is how I feel on the inside. I'm stronger, more confident, more in tune with myself. Now I go to Pilates 3 times a week, and I combine it with my gym routine. The gym helps me burn fat, and Pilates is helping me sculpt my body, slowly but surely. It's a balance, and for the first time in a long time, I feel like I'm taking control of my life again. I choose me. When my work became a blockade to my health and my future, I pivoted. I chose self-care. I chose self-love. I want to remind everyone watching this that you only get one chance in this life. Jobs will come and go, but you can't replace your health. You have to choose yourself, nourish your body, move your body, and give yourself the love you deserve. That's what this journey is all about. I'm so proud of the Vana I am today. Best version of me yet. And I want you to become the best version of you too.
Y'all, I completely changed the outfit. It's not even the same, not even close to being the same like what I said before. So let me show you guys what I'm going to be wearing. All right, so this is what we're looking like. I'm wearing my bathing suit and just some shorts. And then I have my clear bag with a cover for my swimsuit, just like a cover, some chapstick, and my phone. And then I'm wearing these clear heels with it. So very cutesy, not too much. And that's all I'm going to be wearing. I just poured my vitamin water. I need some electrolytes, just came from Pilates. So we're throwing in some energy, tropical citrus flavored vitamin water, and we're gonna go ahead and head out. I don't plan on drinking at this party. If I do, it's just gonna be like a tiny, like a smidget, because it's been so long since I've had any alcohol. Sorry, that was my sandals. It's been so long since I've had any alcohol that I don't even want to set myself up for failure. So, you know, there's a time and place for everything. I'm just gonna have my electrolyte water, and usually I don't have anything but like just regular water in my Stanley, but I need some electrolytes, so girls gotta do what girls gotta do. It's still water, just flavored water. So I think we're good. Very cutesy, very demure, very mindful, not doing too much. Y'all, I have lost so much weight. I can see it. Like, the body is starting to body again. Hello, somebody.
After spending time with my girls and their families, I decided to come back home and recharge in my own little sanctuary. We didn't swim at their place, but there's something special about this place. This backyard oasis that Magnum and I created together. It's more than just a pool. It's where I find peace after a long week of work and workouts, a place to rest and rejuvenate. I couldn't ask for a better escape. Today, I got my vitamin water to stay hydrated, especially in this South Florida heat. I've really been working on keeping my body well nourished and hydrated because self-care isn't just about the workouts. It's about everything that helps you feel good. And while I'm out here, I'm catching up on one of my favorite shows this season, Selling Sunset. I love the luxury homes and the fashion. It's such a vibe. Leave a comment down below if you watched this latest season. Once I'm done with my swim, I'll wash my sister locks, which is a weekly ritual. Definitely be sharing an update with you all soon. They've grown so much and they feel like such a big part of me now. But for now, I'm just soaking in this moment of peace.
This is where he decides to do his sit-ups. Oh, now it's side crunches. It's getting fancy. Okay, I see you. A little razzle dazzle. Your shoulders are coming in. That's about the only thing. Yeah, look at those shoulders.
You're gonna make me blush.
His bicep. Oh, look at him trying to twist the arm so his bicep could come through. Yeah. All right, what you making? What are you cooking us?
Wings and some taters.
Some mashed potatoes, and then you got the game on. Well, I just came from the get together with my friends and I changed the outfit. I already showed, child. I couldn't just go with a dress. It wasn't that kind of party because I didn't know if we were gonna go in the pool or not. So I was like, let me just go ahead and change what I'm wearing. But everybody was talking about Miss LoveShackFancy. Everybody liked that. You said everybody what? The neighbors, yeah. A few friends and neighbors. Yeah.
That's why the fall's my favorite.
Yeah,
That's why the fall's my favorite.
because everybody gets together.
Yeah, as long as there's football or something like that, there's always a reason to get together.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
It's like perfect barbecue weather.
And the thing was, like, my friend tried to get me to have like 2 little sippy sips of an alcoholic beverage. I didn't drink alcohol since before the juice fast. So this was my first little alcohol drinky drink, and it filled me right up. I was like, oh man, this isn't as sensational as I remember it being. But the drinks tasted good. I just didn't have it in me to drink like how much I would usually drink. I brought electrolyte water with me.
All right, so it's time for the big reveal. This is where I'm at on my journey, feeling stronger, more confident, and more in love with my body every day. I'm wearing my favorite Ivy Park set, the pink pants and bra combo. I just love how this hugs my body and accentuates my curves. It's so plus size friendly and perfect for my workouts. You might have noticed earlier that I was wearing the matching long sleeve top and shorts from the same collection. I couldn't resist but to get the whole entire pink line. It's versatile and perfect for mixing and matching. Plus the long sleeves even snap off and turn into a crop top, which is so convenient. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video and love content just like this one, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up so I know to make more just like it. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. I'll see you in the next video. Stay shining. Bye.